So I have beef with Sabrina Carpenter. And you're like, why? Does she even know you exist? Probably not. I mean, not probably. She doesn't. But you know why? You know why I have beef with her? Because I only got th- this like very recently. And I got to know that she has already released a new version of this. Now, why will I thank it? I only got this because my brother bought it for me when he got back from Ireland. So now where will I buy the new one from? Anyways, so this is Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. And I love Sabrina. And I wanted this for so long. And my brother just bought it because I don't know why he bought it for me. Maybe because he knows I love her. I don't know. But anyways, I got it. And I love it. So I'm going to unbox this right now. Oh, it matches my dress. So I'm going to ruin this. Oh, I did ruin it. I did ruin it a little. But we are going to pretend nothing happened. I did ruin the packaging a little while I was underseally trying to open it. So this has the perfume and body lotion. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. See, see. So this is of course the perfume. It comes like this. Like a little pink chocolate bar. And let's see how it smells. Oh my god. It smells so good. This is a perfume. Cute. Don't mind my nails, okay? Don't judge me. This is also a perfume, a small packet, the same one. One is 10 ml, one is 30 ml. That's it. Is the camera focusing? I don't know. I don't know why I like blocked it. Yeah. This is the body lotion. It's also pink. Very nice, very cute. I know I am so. Oh my god. Okay. 75 ml tube comes like this. Oh, it smells like chocolate, marshmallow, Madagascar vanilla, cream, and candy ginger. Okay. Oh, something. I was like, ഇതെന്റെ വരാത്തെന്ന് ഞെക്കിക്കൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കുകയാണ് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് വരുന്നില്ല ലൈക്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് ക്ലോസ് ഗൈസ് ഐ ഹാവ് ടു ഓപ്പൺ ഇറ്റ് പിന്നെന്തിനാണ് ഞാൻ I'm only taking a small amount because I all ah okay, so this is a body lotion. I already have like a body lotion on my hand because I went out. So I'm not going to like take a whole lot of amount. Oh, this is actually great. This actually feels nice on the skin. Very great. Nice. Love it. It smells really nice. Oh, smells really nice. I don't know what I was expecting. I always saw good reviews for this. So I don't know why I was like, this was really nice. This always, I mean, expected to smell really nice. Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter. Made with love. Can you see? Made with love. So this is a body lotion. So it is a this is 75 ml, 30 ml perfume and a 10 ml perfume. So this is it. This is I was like I had to make a video, and now that I made a video, I don't know why I wanted to make one. I just wanted to be like, why did she like release a new one when I only got hold of this one like very recently? It's not like she's obligated to. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, bye. This is also. Hello.